Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to do or use speed curves to create a cinematic slow motion effect in Capcut PC. And for you to be able to get started, so as you can see, we've created a new project already here on Capcut. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to add in the videos that you want to use. So I have added some videos already here on my end. And if you want to add also onto your end, just click onto the import option in there and you could browse onto your different files. Just choose the videos that you want to use so that it should be added in here. Or you could simply drag and drop the videos, audios, or photos in here. Now, once it is already added, just click onto this plus icon to add the track to the timeline. So it should look something like this. Then right after, the next step that you need to do is just simply click onto the video in here. And then right after, you should be able to find in speed. If you click onto that, there are two options. You could change it normally just like clicking onto this icon or going ahead and choosing the buttons in here, or you could simply use the curve. So there are a lot of options that you could choose already. There are presets that are available such as the bullet, jump cut, flash in, flash out, and many more. So if you click onto each one of them, so as you can see, it should look something like this. So this shows the normal part of the video, and this is where the slow-mo begins. The meaning of the curve is that when it goes down, it slow-mos, and when it goes up, it goes ahead and make it faster. So if you do a quick preview, this is what the video looks like. So as you can see, it has made a slow motion under the curve in here. So you could also create a customized version of it. So you could create your own. So if you want to make this faster here, so you could just simply go ahead and make the curve uphill. And then if you want to go ahead and make this slower, you'll just have to go ahead and drag this onto the bottom so that it will slow-mo the video. So it should be something like this. And as you can see, the video has created a slow-mo effect in CapCut. And that is just basically it on how you should do it. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.